In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a client in Zoho Projects. Once you are signed into Zoho Projects and you are on your main dashboard, you are going to start by heading to the Projects area. Look for the Projects option in your main navigation and click it. This is where Zoho Projects groups together everything related to the work you deliver, including the people and companies you work with. After you click Projects, find the Clients option in the submenu under Projects. Go ahead and select Clients. This opens your client directory, where Zoho Projects keeps a list of the organizations you manage projects for. Having accurate client records here helps keep projects organized and makes it easier to invite the right people later. Next, move to the top right corner of the Clients page and click the Add Client button. This will open a form where you can enter the client information. Start with the company name. Use the official name you want to see across your system, because this is what you will recognize later when you assign projects or review client lists. Then enter the client email. This should be the primary contact email address you want associated with the client record. Take a moment to double-check for typos, since this field is commonly used for communication and invitations. If you manage multiple contacts for the same organization, choose the most reliable general contact or main point of contact. After that, you can fill in optional details like phone and address. These fields are not required, but they can be helpful for keeping everything in one place, especially if your team needs quick access to client contact information. Keep the formatting consistent with how your organization stores contact details, so records stay clean and easy to scan. When you are satisfied with the information you entered, click Add to create the client. Zoho Projects will save the new client and include it in your clients list, ready to be used when you set up or organize projects. That covers everything you need to know.